Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today is 24th May 2026. We are sending our wood splitter to Sri Lanka. This wood splitter machine is a full hydraulic machine, and this is a complete unit machine, including an 18.5 kilowatt electric motor, the hydraulic tank, the hydraulic cylinder, and the machine frame. This wood splitter can cut the wood logs length 2 meters and maximum diameter 70 centimeters into small pieces. This wood splitter machine suitable for the forest large diameter wood logs. If you like a Longze brand wood splitting machine, please send your inquiry. Trust Longze machine, trust Longze quality. Thank you. Bye-bye.